You might be wondering how Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 actually changes what you learned under the old IPC and which parts to focus on for CLAT. And by the end of this video, you will be completely clear about this topic. Have you noticed questions about cyber offenses and mens rea popping up more often and wondered how a new code handles them? Today we'll start from the basics and build up. And towards the end, we will understand a key idea that most UPSC aspirants miss. Think of BNS 2023 as a full software update to the criminal law. It repeals the IPC, modernizes language, and tries to make offenses easier to read and apply in today's world. The code expressly covers new age crimes like cyber offenses, identity theft, and hate crimes. So conduct that used to need clever interpretation now has clear statutory elements, much like moving from vague sketches to labeled diagrams. One big change is graded penalties and a proportionality approach to sentencing, which means punishments are matched to severity and culpability rather than one-size-fits-all terms. BNS also reorganizes offenses by conduct and harm, so charging and investigation become more consistent. Picture replacing a messy bookshelf with labeled sections for faster retrieval. Protections for women, children, and other vulnerable groups are strengthened, while the code clarifies mens rea standards by saying when intent, knowledge, or recklessness is required and where strict liability may apply. Practically, police and lawyers need training to prove mental elements and to choose the correct graded charge. And courts will face transitional questions about pending IPC cases, so always check whether a matter falls under the old or new law. For legal reasoning in CLAT-style problem solving, read the statutory definitions first, identify the required mens rea, map facts to the right degree of offense, and then discuss defenses and proportionality in sentencing. This concept is very important for your exams because CLAT and other law tests now expect definition-driven analysis and neat mapping of facts to graded offenses. And questions often test mens rea, classification, and sentencing logic. Quick recap. BNS 2023 modernizes and replaces the IPC, expands cyber and hate offenses, adopts graded penalties, clarifies mens rea, and reorganizes offenses for clarity. That's the clear roadmap you need to tackle BNS questions in CLAT. Keep practicing definition-first analysis and come learn more with EduRev for focused examples and practice. You're on the right track.